Funky Brush.
Hey everybody, what's up? Jungle Bri here for another super quick tutorial in Illustrator. I just learned this really amazing tip very recently, and I thought I'd share it with you guys because it could save you a lot of time and prevent some destructive design methods. Anyways, let me show you what we got today. So I found a way to adjust letters without creating an outline. Typically, let's say we want to adjust this name here. You can go in, create outlines, and now you're free to do whatever you want in Illustrator. Make it bigger, move it up or down, whatever, right? But that's destructive. Once you do that, you can't really go back and change what the type says. What I learned is you can go into the type tool up here, hold it down, and at the bottom you'll see touch type tool. You can also activate it by hitting a Shift T in your keyboard. Now let's say I want to take this Y and scoot it up and then scoot the R down and just add a little bit of personality to this font, right? I can do this, and now when I hit V and go back into my normal view here for the type tool, you can see that this is still recognized by Illustrator as normal type. So you can go through and either individually change the letters or retype the whole thing. So very useful tool. There's more it can do though. I will show you. I'm going to hit Shift T to activate it this time. Let's select the Y here. You can use the bottom right circle here to stretch it this way. You can use this to rotate it, and you can use this one here to stretch it this direction, and this one here can make it bigger. So, and this all is non-destructive, so it will leave your type able to be edited, which can be great, especially if you have some different effects and stuff on the type. So hopefully this is a really good time saver for you guys. Look at that. Look how good that looks. Oh man, that's some good design right there. So one caveat I will mention quickly is holding Shift will not allow you to move these in a perfectly straight line. It does nothing. It's completely freehand moving the letters around like this, which is really nice. But if you want to keep things in a perfect line or you're OCD like me, you can hold Shift and nudge them at 10 times the normal speed, so 10 spaces at a time. So that does still give you an option to move things perfectly up, down, left, right. Just wanted to let you know that holding Shift doesn't have the normal effect it does in Illustrator. So, but either way, this is a super useful tool. It'll save you guys a lot of time not doing destructive things like outlining the text and then changing it and then realizing, oh shoot, there's only one R in curry. What am I going to do? Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this super quick tutorial today. If you have any questions, come hang out with me on Twitch 3 days a week. I'll put the link in the description below. Anyways, that's it for this one, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Have an awesome day.